Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can Rosify your image using Pippit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit Pippit.ai. If you want to get the join link, you can go to my YouTube description and you can click the link there. And once you open the website, you can sign into this website with your Google account and you will get credits for free. You can use the credits to create image or video. Okay, and I'm going to go to the image studio menu, and here we can choose the Rosify magic tool and you can upload your photo here. I'm going to use this one. Okay, now the image is being generated and done. This is the result and you can choose the best one. For me, I prefer this one guys, and we can click on download. And if you want to remove the watermark, you can choose without Pippit watermark. Okay, that's how you can Rosify your image using Pippit AI. Don't miss out guys. Click the join link in my YouTube description and start now. Thank you so much for watching and bye!